Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, what is impedance bioimpedance spectroscopy? Okay, bioimpedance spectroscopy is a non-invasive and more convenient method. This is a non-invasive and more convenient method, and it is used mainly to measure the various body fluid measurements like including total blood volume. So for measurement of various body fluids including total blood volume, we can use this bioimpedance spectroscopy. One important thing about bioimpedance spectroscopy is the main principle of measurement of this bioimpedance spectroscopy is electrical resistance or impedance. So, what does this mean? This means that according to this principle, our body contains an ionic fluid, and this ionic fluid will act as a conductor. So, this is a conductor. Okay, this ionic fluid is acts as a conductor, and one more thing, it also offers a resistance also, and this resistance is proportional to the fluid volume. So the body fluid has ionic fluid, so a total body water, or if you see the extracellular fluid, intracellular fluid, all these are ionic fluids which act as conductor and they conduct the current. This is electrical current, and they also offer resistance, and this resistance is proportional to the fluid volume. So by measuring this resistance we can measure the fluid volume. So this is bioimpedance spectroscopy. Recently, nowadays, this bioimpedance spectroscopy is actually replacing, in most of the conditions, it is replacing the dilution method.
thank you and thank you for watching.